Hey guys, Dennis Foster with Yacht Kings Entertainment over here at the 2024 Sea-Wide Expo. And I'm here with Cody from Seakeeper Ride. And yes, it has to do with the original gyro Seakeepers. So Cody, can you take me through what you just said over here? 'Cause this was like an attitude adjustment for the boat.
So what we define the system as is a vessel attitude control system. It controls all three axes of the boat while underway. So your pitch, roll, and your yaw. The system takes up to 1,000 measurements a second and makes up to 100 adjustments a second to eliminate pitch and roll by about 70% on average.
And this goes up to
35-foot boats.
35-foot boats, right?
Currently.
So let me get this straight. So if you remove your trim tabs and you put the Seakeeper rides on right now, and let's say the boat has a bad attitude and it's really not cooperating, this will straighten out the boat's attitude?
It's the ultimate attitude adjustment.
Some more innovative products from the Sea-Wide Expo 2024, guys. Thanks so much, Cody.
Thanks again.
We appreciate it.
Absolutely.